right? Right. So I'm going to maintain separate books of accounts for Dr. Reddy Labs Bulk Drugs, Dr. Reddy Labs Pharma. In the books of Dr. Reddy Labs Bulk Drugs, I'm going to open Dr. Reddy Labs Pharma book, account, right? Intercompany account for, so one account I'm opening for other company code in each company. So here in this company code, for this company code, I'm going to open this. Understand? Right. Now, say for example, what is the accounting entry? First of all, let us understand the accounting. Then we go for the configuration. Rent paid by Dr. Reddy Labs on behalf of DRLF, that DRLP, right? Dr. Reddy Labs Pharma. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to rent paid by Dr. Reddy Labs Bulk Drugs on behalf of DRLP. So rent to be paid by this company code, and on behalf of this company code has made the payment. In such case, what is the accounting entry? So intercompany account of DRLP, intercompany account of DRLP account debtor means this company we are debiting, and what is going out for us? We are paying cash, right? That is a check I am paying. So that's why check is paying, cash is going out. So that's why credit bank account. Okay. Now at the same time, in these books of accounts, what is the accounting entry required? Because for me, Dr. Reddy Labs Pharma, office rent is debited, and whose account I have to credit? Intercompany account of DRLB. This company code I am going to credit. So for one entry of one company code, if I am going to make payment on behalf of this company code, there are two accounting entries. One is in the books of DRLB, in the books of DRLP. Right, accounting entry. So intercompany account of DRLB, DRLB account is debited because he is the, see, again fundamental principles are same. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So this fellow is receiving. So on behalf of that company, I'm going to make the payment. So that's why this account I'm going to do it. And here cash is going out for me, and that's why I'm creating cash. For this company, office rent account is debit because there's an expenditure. But who is the giver? Intercompany account of DRLB. So in the books of DRLP, we credit this account. In the books of DRLB, we debit this account, right? So that is the intercompany account. Similarly, intercompany vendor payment. Say, for example, I am going to make the payment on behalf of that company. On behalf of, say, for example, on behalf of DRLP, DRLB makes vendor payment, right? In such case, vendor account debtor of DRLP to bank, because here, right, anyway, this account will be a bit confusing for you at this juncture. Once I post that, we have to make some configuration, then I have to post it, then I'll explain. So this is only here, this is only office rent paid. So that's why this is not that much complicated for you. So intercompany account of DRLB is debited and bank account is credited. Here intercompany account, he is the giver. That's why intercompany account is credited, office rent is debited, right? So this is the accounting aspect. Now, what I'm going to do, let us first of all create the company, right? How to create, right? In SAP real time, in the projects, we have, there are 2 or 3 varieties of projects. One is end-to-end implementation, right from the beginning to the end. The total implementation is there. Second one is rollout. Rollout means rolling out. That is nothing but, say for example, if we have implemented SAP for one company code, and for the second company code I want to implement, means I need not follow all the steps what I have followed for configuration of this. I can just simply copy and create new company code. This is called SAP rollout. Right. So what are the parameters that we have defined for this company code will be copied to this company code along with all the GL accounts. Right. That we'll do it now. So how to copy company code? Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So company is same. That's why I need not define any company now. Now company code is required. So edit, copy, delete, check company code. Again we are coming back to the fundamentals. Right here, edit company code. Here if you are going to create a new company code, will be going here. Otherwise, copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this. Right, you can see a blank screen here. Then click on copy. Right, so what it will do on the back end, there will be so many tables will be there. All those tables system will copy first. Right, and then we have to give the name for that. 17% of the associated tables read. Just give me a minute. So now what we need to do is, right, from company code. So right, the from company code is DRLB to DRLP, new company code. Right, Dr. Labs Pharma. Click on enter. Only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts, the target company code, as the source company code. Do you want to copy the GL account of the company code data? Means yes, I want to copy. Along with the GL accounts, I want to copy. Yes. Right. Do you want to allocate different local currency to the target company code? So if you want to allocate a different currency, then you can say, do you want to allocate different currency? For me, no. If you yes, it will ask you and you have to give the currency. Now I say no. Certain data was not copied. Right. Only number ranges etc. will not get copied. That's what it says, but everything will get copied. Do you really want to transport number ranges? Yes. Again, it will take some more time. So when we copy a company code, everything will get copied, and okay, certain small modifications we need to change, but it is not going to copy asset accounting and sundry data. Sundry data will not get copied. But the thing is here, when you are going to create account groups, right? We have created customer account groups, vendor account groups. Same groups can be used for this company code also. We can create vendors by using that group. I'll show you that. Right? We need not again have to have configure again AR, AP, everything. No, not required. For group level, when we have create accounted account groups, that's why I told you, if you remember or not, vendor number ranges and customer number ranges are client level. That's the reason you don't find the company code there. Do you want to really transport number ranges? Yeah, yes. So that's what. Okay. So whatever the client level data, we can use it for all the company codes. Right, I told you in the beginning, if you remember or not, document types are client level, vendor number ranges are client level, customer number ranges are client level, but whereas document number ranges are company code level. Right, now here system copies even that also. I'm going to create a new request. Right, so DRL group, intercompany postings. So we can move this request, transport request, separately. So for any new changes that we make, go on pressing enter. Just you can close it. In EHP6 only this problem we are getting. An error occurred number ranges. Right. Close this, that's all. Copy it. Okay. Copied activities. Company code DRLB copied to DRLP. Come back. Edit company code data. Come here. Come to DRLB. DRLB, DRLB. Dr. Lab bulk drugs. Right. Here what I'll do, double click on this. Right. Dr. D Labs Pharma. Say Pharma Limited. Okay. Now new company code got created completely. But the thing is here, it will not get linked to the group company. Right? We have to assign it to the group company. So remember what is OBY6? Right, global parameters. Company code. Right, see DRLB. Here if you see DRLB, see chart of accounts and company, there is a group company is this. DRLB this is, right? V3 everything we have. Now let us go to the DRLP. Double click on this, see everything is there except group company. Now we need to assign the group company, that's all. Here itself we can assign it. DRL group, right? And chart of accounts automatically got copied. Fiscal year variant, field status variant, everything will get copied. Save it. Right, come back. Now if you want to check whether go to FS00. Here DRLB, right? See, for DRLB we have so many GL accounts, right? All these are all GL accounts that are created already. Now for DRLP you check DRLP. See, all GL accounts are there readily available. I can post accounting entry, but there are one thing is there. If you remember, when we have created in AHP 6, say this is AHP 5, AHP 5 onwards, controlling area is mandatory. Without assigning controlling area, without assigning this company code to the controlling area, system will not allow you to post entry. Right? Now, if you want to check, first we'll check it up. Then only we'll go ahead. Right? F-02. I want to post DRLP in the books of DRLP. Right? INR. Say for example 400 301 office rent account data to bank. In company code DLP, the number range 1 is missing for the year 2013. Okay, so it means number ranges did not copied. But the thing is data will be lost. Okay. So what are the number ranges? FBN1. So what we can do here, document types, document number ranges. First let me check. Define document number ranges for say DRLP. Nothing is there. Okay. So what I can do is copy to company code, copy to fiscal year. I can take copy to company code. Check here. Right, number range number 0, 1, 2, I can say ZZ. Means whatever the number range that are there I can take. Otherwise we have up to, yeah, okay, I'll say up to 30. Fiscal year 2013, company code DRLB and DRLP. Right, execute. So 1, 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So everything intervals added. Okay, now let us see now DRLP. So number ranges got copied. Okay, now let us see again. Try to post an entry. Just test. Right, say 50. 204.05. Right. Now let us see any error messages. Controlling area. No controlling area has been assigned to the company code DRLB. So first we need to assign controlling area. Come back. How to do that? If you remember, we have done that in the beginning, and the same is given in the notes also for you. Right. Go to controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. Go here. Double click on maintain controlling area. Our controlling area is DRCO. Dr. Red Labs controlling area, DRCA. Select this. Assignment of company codes. So simply now DRLB is there. Right. Go to new entries. Give DRLP. That's all. Now again try to post entry. Let me check one more thing about financial accounting new. I need to check whether new GL has been activated for that. Business transactions, document splitting, activate document splitting. Here we should see that document splitting is not activated, of course. Okay, so that is in. Okay, when here itself is inactive, no problem. So I can post accounting entry now here. See, so document 1 was posted. So here, if you want to create a new company code, once one company code is readily available, I can just copy from that company code. Right? I need not do any further settings. Just only copy. Okay. In fact, number ranges also will be copied, but some problem is there in the system. That's why I need to again manually calculate. Right, in EHP 5 only I am getting this problem, otherwise I will not get. Right, and now one more thing. Okay, so now company code is ready. Right, Next job is I'm going to create GL account. I'm going to create GL account in the books of DRLB, intercompany account DRLB. Here in the books of DRLB, I'll create intercompany account DRLB. In the books of DRLB, I'll create intercompany account for DRLB. So this I have to create. I'll be using 207.01, 207.02, and we'll do one thing. Right, this will do it tomorrow because this comes under configuration. Immediately after creation of these GL accounts, I need to make settings in a framework. I have to fit the GL account into one framework, and we should start posting the accounting entries. Right, so it takes another 1 hour it takes, because creation of the GL accounts and fitting into the framework and creation of vendor accounts. So all those things at a stretch will go ahead. Okay, so tomorrow we'll take it up.